Hi, my name is Juan Gonzalez and I'm here today making this video to talk to you more about the design project that I'm currently working on. The design project that I'm currently working on is a design of a backyard swing set for children under 10 years old. I chose this project because for my Email 213 class I was given the task of designing a backyard swing set, and I decided to incorporate it with the design project for SolidWorks in order to utilize my new learning skills in SolidWorks to design a 3D CAD of the project. The main requirements of the project was that the main material is wood. For this reason I chose pine because it is readily available and is cheap. Also, it's supposed to include certain components, like it's supposed to include one set of swings, at least one slide, a set of rings, so you can see here, and at least one set of monkey bars. The design that I came up with is different from the design that you can see here, and I want to explain it to you as I go through my different sketches in SolidWorks. This is a sketch for one of the 2x4 beams that are gonna be on the floor of the main frame of the house for the swing set, and it goes around two 4x4 beams on the corner of the house. As you can see here, this is the frame for the house and the main part of the swing set. And the part that I showed you before goes around these two 4x4 beams. And it's gonna form the floor for the frame. This is the other part of the floor for the house, and it's just a simple 2x4 beam created using this strut feature. Besides this, I also designed an A-frame to hold the swings, and it's just a simple equilateral triangle held by two 2x4 brackets on the front, and it's gonna be housing a 4x4 beam right here. This beam was modified to fit the hole in the A-frame in order to hold the swings, as you can see here. It was just designed using the cut and strut feature in SolidWorks. I also had to design a set of monkey bars for the swing set. As you can see here, this is the rungs or the monkey bars. It's made of stainless steel, and it was created using the sweep and cut feature. As you can see here. Also, as you can see here, this is gonna be the 4x4 beam holding the rungs for the monkey bars. And the monkey bars are gonna go into these different holes and are gonna be separated by 1 foot each. And this sketch was designed using the strut and cut feature in SolidWorks. Also, I designed a ladder for the children to get into the house. And this is the main support of the ladder, which is gonna be one on each side of the ladder. It's just a simple 2x4 beam, and it was using the whole wizard and the strut feature in SolidWorks. These spaces right here are gonna host another 2x4 beams. As you can see here, these are gonna be the step for the ladder. It's gonna be an upright ladder that is gonna be attached to the floor of the main frame of the house. And it's gonna house 3/8 diameter bolts. Also, for this project, I also was supposed to design a slide. As you can see here, this is my slide. It's just a simple 12 feet long slide that is gonna be attached to the floor of the house, which is 5 feet. And it was used using the strut and cut feature and fillets in SolidWorks. These are gonna be the holes for the bolts that are gonna attach the slide to the house. Also, for this project, I was supposed to design the different type of brackets that were gonna be holding the frames of the house. This is a truss bracket that is gonna be used to hold the 4x4 beams for the monkey bars and for the swings. And it's just a simple truss bracket created using the strut and fillet features in SolidWorks. This truss bracket is gonna be mounted on the frame using 3x8 diameter bolts, and it's made of galvanized steel. Also, for the project, I was supposed to design a set of rings. This is my sketch for the rings. Through this hole here is gonna come the chain that is gonna hold the rings to the 4x4 beams of the A-frame. It was designed using the sweep feature in SolidWorks. All of these different parts are gonna come into an assembly in order to design the BackYard swing set. And once I design the assembly, I'm gonna run some different simulation tests on the assembly in order to determine the different forces that act on these different parts. As you notice, my design is not the same as the one you see here. My design is actually going to include two different swing sets on the different sides of the house, and the monkey bar is gonna be in the middle, and then at the other side of the monkey bars it's gonna include another house which is gonna be the same one, and then it's gonna have two slides on each side and two ladders to access the house. The house was created using ASTM standards with all dimensions and forces in order to serve children under 10 years old. Thank you.